Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you on how to make a scatter graph in Microsoft Excel. So what we're going to do here is to look into the relationship between the area of the leaf and the number of stomata. So for example, if the area of the leaf is 45 square millimeter, the density of the stomata in that particular area is 36 stomata per square millimeter. So what shall we do with this data is to copy and transfer this to our MS Excel. So this is now our data. So to generate a scatter graph, what we shall do is to select the data including the label, click insert, and we shall select this icon, the scatter graph, but there is more option to that. And we'll just select the simple scatter graph, and automatically a scatter graph is generated. Let's label this as relationship between leaf area and stomatal density. Now let's add more chart element. Let's click this plus sign here and I'll select the axis title, and let's call the x-axis as leaf area, and that is in square millimeter. Let's convert this into a superscript. Let's click home, click font for more options, and click superscript. And let's label the y-axis as stomatal density, and the unit of measure is per square millimeter. And let's convert this also into a superscript. So click home, click font for more options, and superscript. So here the graph is trying to show us that larger have fewer number of stomata.